Pretty excited.
Reverse.
Yes, either way.
Yeah,
It's two
Yeah.
strokes. It'll run either way. What you do is you let it slow down until it almost stops, and you reverse the timer, and then she'll fire off the other way.
Oh, so it's actually the engine runs the other direction. It's different rotation.
Yes. Either way. Yeah. Equally well.
Well, you know, you used to see those boats over at Racetown that put the outboards,
Yeah.
and you run counter
Yeah.
for steering force. What's it take to get a V8 to run the other direction? The cam? Just the cam? Or even that?
Oh, really?
No.
The
Spark advance would not work.
Yeah, that, timing. But is there a difference in the cam rise and fall load?
No.
Good break. That is neat. Now, is there electric start on that?
No.
No.
That is neat.
Whose camera is that? Al's. Did you take that off there? I'm gonna take these. Yeah. We found all the sheets.